Ready to unlock the full potential of Telnyx SMS and ensure your messages are delivered reliably? First, navigate to the Telnyx website and log into your account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, find the messaging or SMS section in the Telnyx portal. It's usually located in the left-hand navigation menu. Now, look for a prompt to verify your phone number. This is a crucial step for Telnyx to confirm you own the number you intend to use for sending SMS. Telnyx will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Keep an eye on your phone and copy that code. Enter the verification code into the designated field on the Telnyx portal and click Submit or Verify. If the code is correct, you should see a success message confirming that your phone number is now verified. Depending on your use case, Telnyx might require further verification, such as providing details about your business or intended SMS traffic. This is part of their A2P Compliance. Consult Telnyx's documentation or reach out to their support team for specific instructions. Ensuring compliance helps maintain the reliability of your SMS services. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Telnyx SMS account. Now you can send and receive messages with confidence.